kindles joy. Okay. What do we do first? We do a knife? A knife first? I should probably flour it actually. What we thinking? We flour it? What the hell is that noise? Dude, I do not know what's going on around here. Oop, oop, oop. Please? Oop, 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 he's cracking. Cracking under the pressure! Cute. Do we love? Okay. We'll do a coffin. Oops. That did not work out well. It's okay. Okay, coffin. Let's do one of these little derpy candy canes. I feel like it's not like curved enough, you know. Not a usual problem, but could be like that. Oop, it started to come out on one end. Let's try to lift him up and out of there. Up and at him. Come on. No, don't be like that. That's rude. That's okay. Alright, well, I can kind of make him more curved. Shit. I don't want him to look like a question mark. I just want him to look like a candy cane. It's fine. I want cookies now. Oh my gosh. It's yummy around ingredient household as a kid. Sweet pinches of sugar. Oh my goodness. I love that. That's hilarious. Sarah! You can has. It's a grip cookie community day. Alright. Do we do a bat? Do we do a Christmas? Ghost of Christmas Past? Maybe right here. Okay, got this one. Oh shit, I should have floured that one.